This is S. Arvind, Department of Tripoli, DBSIT Kavali. So here today I am going to discuss data handling functions. Data handling functions. So this is comes under PLC subject. Data handling functions. So actually data handling functions involve such operations as moving the numerical information from one place to another place and comparing the data values, and also to carry the different arithmetic operations. So here we have two functions mainly, that is first one is skip function and second one is MCR. So this is denoted as SK letters and this is a master control relay. So these two are the two powerful programming tools in the PLC. So here skip means, so this skip function is used to skip or bypass the certain portion of the program, and here it is denoted with the SK letter. So here that means, so in some PLC systems this skip function is also called as ZCM, that is the zone control loss state. Zone control loss state. In some PLC systems we are taking this zone control loss state. In furtherly we are using this skip function into jump also. In jump function also we are using skip function. And coming to skip function, so to illustrate the skip function we have a diagram, that is so this is the illustration of skip function. So here this is the input function and this is the enable line, and this is the enable line. This one is skip function, that is coil number. This one is coil number, and this one is so number of lines to be skipped. Number of lines to be skipped. So here in this one the skip function allows us to skip the bypass the number of lines in the program. That means if the coil is on, that means SK0216 is coil number is on, that means these three, here I am considering 003, that means number of lines to be skipped is 3 lines. So to illustrate this function we have to take one basic application for the skip function, that is here I am taking 8-line program. So this is line numbers, and so this is enabling contacts. So here I am taking 8-line program, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I am taking one example, that is when the skip function is applicable to this program. Also here I am taking 8-line program. So here I am taking some input lines. So these are the enabling contacts. So when the enabling contact is on, so the skip function is also performed. So here I am taking 8-line program. In these 8 lines, so 7 lines are, that means input. So these 7 lines are the different functions with output functions, with 7 lines with output functions, and third line. In the third line, I am including skip function. So here I am including skip function. That means here I am taking the term is 003. That means here these three lines are skipped. So when SK0216 is on, that means three lines to be skipped. So that means coils are remaining off state previous. So here I am taking in the third line the skip function. That means so whenever the program encountered the skip function at that time, so these three lines are skipped. That means remaining 1 and 2 and 7 and 8 lines are as usual. That means when the skip function is encountered, that means the three lines are skipped. So when the skip function is off, that means that is input 25 is off. That means the remaining operation is same. So to illustrate that function, we have taken that on production line program. So that is here I am taking production line. So here I am taking one production system. So in this one I am taking 8 stations. So here I am taking 8 stations. That means here I am set up 1 to 8 stations. That means so when here I am taking that one third point. That is at the third station I will put one checkpoint. So in the checkpoint it will checks the part is good. If the part is good means so if one part is taken there, that means if the part is good, that means the procedure continues continuously. But when the part is bad, that means it is in an abnormal condition, that means it will shunt it to side conveyor. So by using this side conveyor, we will repair that part and re-enter that into this one. So according to that portion, here also I am taking that setup is 4 to 8. That means 4 to 8 lines are normal operation. So when it encounters skip 1 to 3, that means these 3 lines are skipped in the program. So similarly here also I am taking 8 stations. So this is the station layout. So this one is station layout. So here I am taking the 8 stations similar to this one. Here I am taking the one checkpoint. If the checkpoint is considered, that means it checks if the part is good. So if the part is good means the flow continues till to 8th station. If the part is not good, that means it will continue. It will shunt it to conveyor. That means it repairs the part and re-enters into the system. So according to this, I am explaining skip function. So actually skip function is used to allow the PLC program lines to skip or bypass certain portion of the program. So when the enable line function is energized, that means it will skip 2 or more lines according to given program. And here I am taking one more term, that is MCR, that is the master control relay. So it is operates similarly to the skip function, but only difference is when the skip function is enabled, that means the number of lines to be skipped. But when the MCR function is enabled, that means the number of lines is functioned as usual. So when the MCR function is off, at that time the number of lines to be off position. That means here I am taking, for the illustration of MCR, I am taking that one example, that is, so this one is IN023, that means here I am taking MR023. So this is the enable line. So through enable line it activates this one. So this is the coil number. So this one is coil number, and this is number of lines to be off in MCR function. So according to this diagram, so MCR function, when the enable line is on, that means MCR is on. So when the MCR is on means, that means the process is normal. When the enable line is off, that means MCR is in off condition. At that time, the 3 lines to be off in off position. So actually, compared to MCR and skip function, so skip function allows us to skip certain portion of the program, and at the same time continue to the coils into previously off position. Previously off position and last state, previously off state. That means here I am taking that one example, that is the basic application of MCR. That is, here I am also taking 8-line program. So here I am taking 8-line program. Here in this one I am writing IN023, IN024. These are the inputs. So here, when the MCR, this is the 8-line program for the MCR function. So in this 8-line program, I am considering MCR function. That means in the third line, I am including the MCR function. That means here, the next 3 lines are in the off position. So when MCR 03 coil is on, means the next 3 lines to be in off position. That means here I am taking that. So 8-line program. In the 8-line program, 7 line programs are same, but in the third line I am including MCR function. So this function is used to off the next lines of the program. That means here the program is encountered MCR function. That means next 3 lines are in off position, because I am taking the 003 condition. That means next 3 lines are in the off position in off position, and remaining 2 lines and remaining 1 and 2 and 7 and 8 lines are normally operate in the MCR function. And coming to again illustrate the MCR function, I am taking similar to the skip function. So in that skip function, I am taking that on production line and station layout. So here I am also taking same. Here I am also taking the same, that is station number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here I am taking 8 stations. So in 8 stations I am set up. Here I am taking 8 stations. So in this one I am taking that skip function, that is it is used to skip the first files, that is 1 to 5, and set up 4 to 8 stations. So similarly in this one also I am taking the 8 stations, but in the previous example, that means in the skip function I am taking third point as a checkpoint, but here I am taking fifth point as a checkpoint. So here in this one also, whenever the part comes to fifth station, so at that station we are putting one checkpoint. So by using this checkpoint I am programming, I am examining the part. So if the part is good, that means the fifth station continues to 6, 7 and 8 stations. When the part is bad means, so it is shunted to side conveyor, and then after repair it re-enters into the station. So similar to skip function, this one also. So in some PLC systems and some PLC programming systems, MCR function is also known as a master control rate function. So actually MCR means master control relay. So in some PLC programming systems we are considering that master control reset point, not relay. So not relay point. So coming to difference between these two, that is skip function and MCR functions. So in skip function, so the skip function is allows us to skip the number of lines, that is some portion of the program. So when the enable function is on. So coming to MCR, so here in this one, when the enable line is off position, that means MCR is in off position. So at that time the MCR is used to off the specified lines in the program. So in the skip function we have to skip the number of lines to the previous off position, but in the MCR function we have to off the coils into at that specified position. And in some PLC systems, skip function is also called as an zone control logic. Same in MCR is also known as an, already I am said that master control reset. So these are the difference between skip function and MCR function. Skip function and MCR function. And next topic is jump. So actually in the data processing computers, the jump programming function is quite useful with process control computers and PLCs. So this simply put the jump instruction as an command in the computer program. So it causes the program to go to a specified point other than some portion of the program or next line of the program. So here I am taking one basic jump function. So that is, here I am taking one main program. So it contains different rung lines, that is the programming lines. So this is the program we are considering for the jump function. So here this is the main program. So here the program scan continues. So whenever the program encounters the jump function, that is JMP function, so it jump to label condition. That means, so here these program lines are not scanned. These program lines are not scanned. So whenever the program encounters the jump function, so the program jump to label position. So here I am taking two instructions, that is JMP and label. So these contain same addresses. That means the base jump function is used in this manner. Here we are having two types of jump functions, that is jump with non-return and jump with return functions. So these are the two types of jump functions in the PLC. So here firstly we will take jump with non-return function. So its operation is similar to the skip function. So whenever the program encounters the jump function, that means it skipped into label condition. Whenever the label is found, it goes to that label point. So here I am taking one example, that is so here I am taking one main program. So it contains different inputs. So this is the one application used for jump with non-return operation. So here I am taking one main program. In that main program I am considering 8-line program. So here in this one I am taking inputs and outputs. So here at the third line I am putting a jump function, jump instruction. So that means whenever the program encounters the jump function, it will skip it to or leaps over to the label point. So here in this condition the program will be in off position. That means the program will not scan by the processor. The program will not scan by the processor at that period. So if the 122 line or 123 line is off, so the operation is normal. So it continues to scan from next specific line to the last line. The scanning is continues to that point. So this is the jump with non-return function. And coming to jump with return. So here in this one also, but this jump with return function is also known as a jump to subroutine function. Jump to